The dance of the enchantress, delicate, eros filled, feminine. Hello, everyone, namaste, and welcome to a grand evening of a Mohiniyattam dance performance. My name is Shalini Vijayagopalan, and I'll be your host for today. We have four amateur Mohinis showcasing a few well known pieces from the vast Mohiniyattam repertoire. I'll explain the context of each piece before the performance. But for now, a little trivia about Mohiniyattam. The art form is named after Mohini, the female enchantress avatar of Lord Vishnu, who used her feminine charm to help the Devas prevail over Asuras. Artam is a Malayalam word meaning rhythmic motion or dance. The rhythmic enchanting dance falls within the Lasya tradition, and the main mood is Shringara. The footwork is soft, sliding, and synchronous with the musical beat. Those amongst you, like myself, who are more familiar with Bharatanatyam and the linear style and forceful footwork, may actually find it slightly slow paced. Moving on to share with you the concept of Kacheri or Margam. Margam has been described by many as that of the union of Jivatma with Paramatma. When we talk in terms of spirituality, we begin from the base, the gross body. The dance of the body alone, done to chollus or jatis, that does not convey any meaning, is pure nritta, and this is called cholketu in the case of Mohiniyattam. This is a representation of the element wind and begins from the base chakra. With this dance, the dancer's body is purified and then moves on to Jatiswaram, which is swaras and jatis, the mind and the body. The padam is presented next. The basic context of padams is the desire of the Naika or Naika to unite with the Paramatma. Varnam is a piece where the body, mind, and soul are activated, which then leads to an eternal state of bliss in the Tilana. On that note of the spiritual journey of Margam, let's begin today's program with a Sabha Vandana, a ritual that honors the divine, the earth on which our dancers will perform, and you, our esteemed audience. Before the dancers get on stage, one humble request: please have your phones on silent and please feel free to take as many videos and photos, but no flash photography, that will be distracting for our dancers. Thank you. That was indeed a very divine experience of the Sabhavandana. To start off the performance, we have three of our dancers delivering a Ganesha Stuti in Mohiniyattam with a famous shloka starting with Ekadantam. Worshipping Lord Ganesha removes all the obstacles coming our way, and the dancers hope for the same as they embark on their dancing journey.
ഏകദന്തം മഹാകായം തപ്തകാഞ്ചന സന്നിപം ലംബോദരം വിശാലാക്ഷം വന്ദേഹം ഗണനായകം ചിത്രരത്ന വിചിത്രാംഗം ചിത്രമാല വിഭൂഷിതം കാമരൂപധരം ദേവം വന്ദേഹം ഗണനായകം സർവവിഘ്നഹരം ദേവം സർവവിഘ്നവിവർജിതം സർവസിദ്ധി പ്രദാതാരം വന്ദേഹം ഗണനായകം വന്ദേഹം ഗണനായകം.
That was one of the more energetic Mohiniyattam performances I've ever seen in my life. So it's really amazing job, all three of you. Moving on to the next dance, which is the Cholkettu. The Cholkettu, as I mentioned earlier, is typically the first dance item that the student is taught on completion of Adavus, and hence it's the first item in a Mohiniyattam Margam. A pure Nritta item, it showcases a garland of Adavus in a rhythmic pattern, ending in an invocation to the Supreme Lord. We have Megha Muralidharan and Preeti Jeevan on stage to perform the Cholkettu in Raga Malika, set to Tala Malika. This Cholkettu has been choreographed by their guru, Sridevi Onni.
കിടതകതതി കിട തെയ്യത്താം കിടതകതകതതി കിടതകതെയ്യത്താം കിടതകതതി കിട തെയ്യത്താം കിടതകതകതതി കിടതകതെയ്യത്താം കിടതകതതി കിടതകതതി കിടതകതെയ്യത്താം കിടതകതതി കിടതെയ്യത്താം കിടതകതതി കിടതകതെയ്യത്താം കിടതകതതി കിടതെയ്യത്താം കീട തക തക തതി കിട തക തെയ്യ കീട തക തതി കിട തെയ്യ കീട തക തക തതി കിട തക തെയ്യ കീട തക തതി കിട തെയ്യ കീട തക തക തതി കിട തക തെയ്യ കീട തക തതി കിട തെയ്യ കീട തക തക തതി കിട തക തെയ്യ കീട തക തതി കിട തെയ്യ ജം തണം തജം തണം തക തജം ജനതിം തകദീം തകജം തണം തകജം തണം തകദീതാ തകജം 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 തണം തകിടജം തണം തകിടദീതാ തകിടജം തകിടജം തകിടജണുതദീം ജണുതദീം ജണുത തെയ്യതാം തെയ്യതാം തെയ്യദിമിതദീം ജണുതദീം ജണുത തെയ്യതാം 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 കിട തക തതി കിട തെയ്യതാം കിട തക തക തതി കിട തക തെയ്യതാം കിട തക തതി കിട തെയ്യതാം കിട തക തക തതി കിട തക തെയ്യതാം വെള്ളപ്പളുങ്കു നിറമൊത്ത വിദഗ്ധരൂപി കള്ളം കളഞ്ഞ കമലത്തിലെഴുന്ന ശക്തി വെള്ളത്തിലെ തിരകൾ തള്ളി വരും കണക്കെന്നുള്ളത്തിൽ വന്നു വിളയാടു സരസ്വതി നീ വെള്ളപ്പളുങ്കു നിറമൊത്ത വിദഗ്ധരൂപി കള്ളം കളഞ്ഞു കമലത്തിലെഴുന്ന ശക്തി വെള്ളത്തിലെ തിരകൾ തള്ളി വരും കണക്കെന്നുള്ളത്തിൽ വന്നു വിളയാടും സരസ്വതി താം താം തകദിമി ദീം ദീം തകദിമി തോം തോം തകദിമി താം തദീം തോം തകിട താം താം തകദിമി ദീം ദീം തകദിമി തോം തോം തകദിമി താം തദീം തോം തകിട താം താം തദീം കിണതോം ദീം ദീം തദീം കിണതോം തോം തോം തദീം കിണതോം താം തദീം തോം തകിട താം താം തദീം കിണതോം ദീം ദീം തദീം കിണതോം തോം തോം തദീം കിണതോം താം തദീം തോം തകിട ഗമദനി സ തദീം കിണതോം ഗമഗരി സ തദീം കിണതോം ഗമഗരി സ തദീം കിണതോം തെയ്യതാം കിട തക തദി കിട തെയ്യതാം தகததி கிடதகதைய தான் கிட தகததி கிட தெய்ய தான் கிட தகததி கிடதகதைய தான் கிட தகததி கிட தெய்ய தான்.
That was such a lovely rendition, Preeti and Megha. Mohiniyattam has often been compared to calming images of nature, where it's like the palm leaves are swinging in the wind, and both of them really made that expression come to life for all of us here. Next, we have the dance Jatiswaram, sometimes referred to as Swarajati. This is again a nritta piece with no stories or characters. Jatiswaram is the expression of a musical flow. It's a combination of jatis and swaras arranged in a raga in line with the tala, that's a time beat. The dancer exhibits pure dance or nritta. There is no room here for abhinaya. A pleasant and cheerful mood serves as a primary expression. Performing Jatiswaram in Ragam Chenjuruti and Adi Talam is Kirti Karthikeyan and Neetu Radhakrishnan. This Jatiswaram has again been choreographed by their guru, Sridevi Unni.
Magarisa Nidapa Dasariri Sarigamaga Risa Nidapa Dasariri Sarigamaga Risa Nidapa Dasariri Sarigamaga Risa Nidapa Dasariri Sarigamaga Risa Nidapa Dalapa Dadaja Sariri Riga Sariga Mamaga Risa Nidapa Dasariri Sarigamaga Risa Nidapa Dasariri Sarigamaga Mapadapa Manidapa Maga Rigamama Mapa Mapadapa Manidapa Maga Rigamaga Risa Nidapa Dasariri Sarigamaga Risa Gari Ma Gari Sa ri ga ma ga ri sa ni da pa da sa ri sa ri ga ma ma ga ma ri ga sa ri ga ma da pa ma pa da pa ma ga ma pa ma pa da ni da pa da pa ma da pa da ma pa ma ga ri ga ma ga ri sa ni da pa da sa ri sa ri ga ma ni da pa ma ga ma da pa ma ga ri ma pa ma ga ri ga ma ga ri sa ri ga ma ni da pa ma ga ma da pa ma ga ri ma pa ma ga ri ga ma ga ri sa ri ga ma ga ri ma ri ga ma da pa ma pa da ma ni da pa da pa da pa ma ga ri ga ma ga ri sa ni da pa da sa ri sa ri ga ma ga ri sa ni da pa da sa ri sa ri ga ma ga ri sa ni da pa da za sa sa ri ga sa sa ri ga ma ga ri sa ni da pa da sa ri sa ri ga ma
Kirti and Neetu, that was such an exquisite performance. When I was explaining the dance, I don't know how many of you noticed that I said it was devoid of expression and abhinaya. But I felt that the way they moved with their bodies and the eyes, that itself was sublime. Such an amazing performance on a Jatiswaram, couldn't beat it. Now we are entering the dances of the solos. Starting with Megha Muralidharan. Megha, a techie by profession, started her dance journey at a young age of 7, where her first teacher was her sister. Her formal introduction to classical dance was with Bharatanatyam at the age of 10 under the guidance of Srimati Sushma Gopinath in Bombay. In 2022, by chance, Megha was pulled into the world of Mohiniyattam by the very same co artists who are joining her today on stage. And the art now has her heart. Megha is currently pursuing the art form under the tutelage of Sri Guru Sri Devi Unni. Megha is performing a Swati Tirunal Kriti, Chaliye Kunjanamo, sung in Brindavana Sarangaragam and set to Deshadi Talam. This choreography is adapted from a similar rendition by Sri Vidya Ashokan. This kriti is a deviation from the typical Manipravalam language of Mohiniyattam, which is a mixture of Malayalam and Sanskrit. Here, the song is written in Hindi. Chaliye is a short and sweet dialogue between the Nayika and a rather nonchalant Krishna. The Nayika is seen enticing Krishna to go to a garden, the garden where the flowers bloom. The peacocks sway about and the bees are aflutter. The garden where you can see Yamuna's magnificent flow. The garden where the cuckoo bird sings about love. Let's go to that garden. Where, O Krishna, you and I can be together. But then, Krishna is in a playful mood and leaves the Nayika's hand. Will Krishna win back the Nayika's favor now? Let's find out.
चलिए कुंजन मों चलिए कुंजन मों चलिए कुंजन मों चलिए 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 कुंजन चलिए श्याम हरी तुम हम मिल श्याम हरी हम मिल श्याम हरी हम मिल श्याम हरी हरी चलिए चलिए देखो जमुना हरी चलिए हम श्याम हरी हरी चलिए 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 छोड़िए कैसे छोड़िए कैसे छोड़िए कैसे मुख में तेरो हाथ धरी तेरो हाथ धरी सुनिए कोयल की श्याम हरी हरी चलिए चलिए
That was such a beautiful rendition, Megha. It's no wonder that Krishna joined the Nayika with such an enticing performance. There's nothing less that can be expected. Coming on to the stage next is Neetu Radhakrishnan. Neetu's always had a spark for dance, though life's rhythms led her down a different path initially. Despite a long standing passion, formal training had to wait until her late 30s, where she bravely embraced the challenges of the classical dance form of Mohiniyattam under the guidance of Guru Kalamandalam Srijaya Nair. Navigating a demanding career and raising two young children, sticking to a training routine is a challenge. Yet, she never let go of her deep love for dance. Tonight, she brings that unwavering determination and joy to the stage for you, proving that it's never too late to follow your heart's dream. Moving on to the piece that she'll be showcasing for you, it's a Varnam. Varnam is one of the most difficult and important items in the repertoire of any South Indian classical music or dance. It typically portrays the Shringara and is a harmonious combination of Nirta and Nritya. Its literature often revolves around the distress of a heroine separated from her beloved. Neetu is performing a Varnam by the name Suma Sayaka, set in Rupakatalam and sung in Karnataka Kapi. This piece has been choreographed by Guru Kalamandalam Srijaya Nair. Sumasayaka, composed by Swati Tirunal, speaks about the agony of the Naika, who isn't able to enjoy the beauty of the blooming garden she is in, as she has been struck by the arrows of the merciless Kamadeva. The Naika recounts to her Sakhi how her lord hasn't come, although she has made a bed for him so lovingly. She's tormented by his absence so much so that she can't sleep, eat, or drink. What is it that delays him, I wonder?
Suma Sayaka
Thank you, Neetu. That was indeed an amazing expression of the dance, truly bringing to life the despair of the Naika. And considering that you've just, in your 30s, formally been introduced into dance, it's such an amazing rendition that you did for us. Moving on, our next performance is by Kirti Karthikeyan. Kirti's journey with dance has been a chaotic affair, or rather affairs. Her first tryst was with Bharatanatyam classes in middle school. That didn't last long as final board exams played spoilsport, but she was elected. Over the decades, she explored various dance forms, but always she engaged in a cycle of starting and quitting Bharatanatyam. Her last endeavor in Bharatanatyam was under the guidance of Guru Pallavi Manjunath. She might scratch that itch again, you never know. But for now, her heart has found its calling with Mohiniyattam, starting with Guru Kalamandalam Srijaya Nair and now Guru Sridevi Unni, and Kathak with Guru Pyari Bishwas. Kirti is performing a padam by the name Panimati Mukhi. In padams, nritta or pure dance assumes a minimal role. Here, the dancer slows down, allows the emotions to flow through their abhinaya. Most padam performances depict a distressed Naika anxiously awaiting her hero's arrival and seeking solace in her confidant, the Sakhi. Panimati, composed by Swati Tirunal, set to Ragam Ahiri and Talam Mishra Chapu, is about the lonely Naika conveying to her Sakhi, "My lord has perhaps forsaken me, for the Kamadeva shoots his arrows so kindly to my heart. Every day I wait for him, casting aside food and drink. The moon that enchants the world has given me only sorrow, and the moments of love we shared, my lord has forgotten. I can't bear this pain. What shall I do? And what indeed can the poor girl do?"
Panimati Mugi Bale Padmanabhanangil Panimati Mugi Bale Padmanabhanangil Panimati Mukhi Bale Padmanabhanangil Kanivilladayai Paramiyum കനിവില്ലായി കാമൻ പാരയും കനിവില്ലായി കാമൻ പാരയും പനിമരത്തി ഭൂകി ബാലേ കനിവില്ലായി കാമൻ മനസ്സേ സഹമയോ മദനൻ കരദന മനസ്സേ ദുഃഖമയോ മദനൻ കരദന മദിരാക്ഷി മദിരാക്ഷി ഇന്നു വരുവൻ കാന്തൻ എന്ന ഇന്നു വരുവൻ കാന്തൻ എന്ന ഇന്നു വരുവൻ കാന്തൻ എന്ന ധന്യേ ഹൃദീനോ കാന്തയായി മറുന്നു അന്നപാനാദി അന്ന നടയാളേ നന്നായി നാരേ രഘവേ വന്നു വന്ന പാനാദി അന്ന നടയാളവേ നന്നായി നാരേ മനസ്സേ ദുസരമയോ മദന കരനമിന്തോ മദിരാക്ഷി ചെയ്യാമോ ലോകവാസികൾക്കെല്ലാം ലോഭനീയനാം ഹിന്ദു ലോകവാസികൾക്കെല്ലാം ലോഭനീയനാം ഹിന്ദു ശോഭമേനിക്കു മാത്രം സുമുഖി തരുന്നതെന്തോ ഏകാന്തത്തിൽ എന്നോട് സാകം ചെയ്ത ഏകാന്തത്തിൽ എന്നോട് സാകം செய்த லீலகள் ஆகவே காந்தன் அசூபர மறந்தோம் ஏகாந்தத்தில் என்னோடு சாகமும் செய்த லீலகள் ஆகவே காந்தன் அசூபர മനസ്സിൽ ദുസരമയ്യോ മദന കരണമിന്ദു മദിരാക്ഷി ചെയ്യാമോ മദിരാക്ഷി
So, when we started, I explained the meaning of Mohiniyattam, the movement of the enchantress. It's no wonder that it's been named so aptly, because that's exactly what Kirti did for us today. Truly enchanted, really great performance. Amazing job, Kirti. We really had a spellbinding performance. Now we're done with the range of the distressed Nayikas. We're going to see a final round with a happy Mohini. Joining us shortly on stage is Preeti Jeevan. Of all the dancers in this group, Preeti has probably had the earliest start to stage, getting a spotlight at a tender age of 3.5 years, albeit for a folk dance. A formal training to classical dance started with Bharatnatyam at the age of 12. After a few years of training, the newly minted teen decided nobody tells her what to do, and one of the acts of rebellion was quitting the dance classes. Decades later, she decided to say yes and started Mohiniyattam classes with Guru Srijaya Nair. In a classic case of history repeats herself, Preeti is now trying to get her teenage daughter to resume her dance classes. Preeti will be performing a Tilana. In a typical Mohiniyattam Kacheri or Margam, we start with the pure dance pieces and then move on to the Abhinaya pieces. However, after hefty Abhinaya pieces like the Varnam and the Padam, the Margam takes a U-turn and goes back to Tilana, which is the Nritta-dominated piece in the repertoire. The Tilana Geeta Duniku has become so popular that it is synonymous with the Ragam Dhanashri, and it's also referred to as Dhanashri Tilana. This piece is composed by Swati Tirunal, set to Aditalam, and choreography is by Guru Neena Prasad. The song speaks of the sound of the young dancers' anklet bells, beating drums, and melody of music, where the dancer performs a joyful celebration of love and life.
गीतध्वनि उदकति नृदतो नाच रघुगोरी कापितै ते ततै रहदो गीतध्वनि उदकति नृदतो नाच रघुगोरी कापितै ततै रहदो பாஜை பாயலிதகும் ஜனன பாஜை பாயலிதகும் ஜனன பாஜை
you were elegance personified in that dance. It was an amazing performance. It's pretty apt that in this Tilana, the last performance of the Margam, she danced about complete surrender and unwavering faith in the Supreme Lord. We're at the last ceremony of the Margam now, the Mangalam. The Mangalam is a short benediction during which the dancer gives the Namaskaram, giving thanks and invoking blessings from God, Guru, and everyone present. And for that, let's welcome back on stage for the last time tonight our lovely dancers Kirti, Megha, Neetu, and Preeti. Our dancers graced the stage with a performance that was both technically flawless and deeply moving. While they had extreme challenges of technical difficulties like the power cut, the falling of technique, and passion have truly brought the classical dance of Mohiniyattam to life for each of us. On behalf of the audience, I would like to thank the dancers for sharing their remarkable talent and passion with us tonight. Let's give a huge round of applause for our incredible dancers for their exemplary and graceful performances. Kirti, Megha, Preeti, Neetu, please take a bow. As we
I just also want to thank Shalini, our MC for tonight. She's also the reason why I even have this video. We got to know about it. She's also the reason we are here on time. So a big thanks to her.
Thank you. As we conclude tonight's mesmerizing dance performances, on the behalf of the dancers, I'd like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to you, our wonderful audience. Your presence and appreciation have truly made this evening special. Digital media can never really match the magic and allure of a live performance, and today was indeed magical. We hope you've enjoyed this evening. Thank you for being a part of this unforgettable experience. Good evening and namaste.
Thank you.